Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sell music on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your name where we have your account settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and logout. We also have your store products here, and so your everything about your store and marketing in the left side of course, the screen. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell music on Sellfy. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, underneath your customize your store, you have the add products section. You just need to go and click on add product. Here, you can prep products for purchase, upload files, write descriptions, and browse the print to demand section. Click on Add Product. Now here, what you need to do is click on the digital product. Because here, as you can see, upload ebooks, music, videos, software, or anything else digital. You can upload music here. Click there. And here, guys, you can go and upload your music here. So this is a digital product. As you can see, product review, everything is here. When you do it, just click Save Product, and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.